Because clients na, kasi parang I noticed, siyempre, you came from a really great family, no? Usually, pag yung mga prospect mo dun sa medyo, affluent, high net or ultra high net, parang I felt may ganun touches eh. So, ano usually na maganda pag-usapan with them? Baka pwede mo ma-share sa kanila, sa amin, kasi parang normally, alam natin yun. Training is approved, di ba?
Tama.
Pero in the ground, it's different eh. So, baka pa niya, kung okay lang, no, ma-share ano yung dapat na pinag-uusapan or yung interested sila.
Sige.
That level.
Solid yan. You know what? Sometimes, not being selfish naman. Pero ganito minsan mag-build sa kanila. Bro, or Sir Tito, alam mo, genuinely, I look up to you. Ang ganda ng negosyo mo and everything. Tito, question lang. Since ako, ngayon, sisimula pa lang, what could be my first few steps? Kwento na sila. Nakita niyo yung picture? So parang, you're very interested to know their strategies, their tactics, di ba? So sa kanila, parang, ito gawin mo. At simula na. Then from there, expound. Kailan po kayo nagsimula? Paano kayo nagsimula? What got you into this business? Paano kayo naging interested dito? Sino mo naging kliyente ninyo? Doon na. Yun yung mga sub-questions na to expand the conversation. Ang pinaka-goal mo dyan is to learn from them genuinely. Hindi lang para lang makapag-build ka ng rapport. Learn from them genuinely. Sige, hindi man siya matuto sa'yo, pero gusto naman nila yun eh. Na nagtuturo sila eh. Tama? So, and also, wag kayong mahihiyang magtanong or humingi ng help. Kasi, if they're rich and they're smart, tutulungan kita eh. Paano ganon? Kasi I would invest in you. By the time na pag ako yung mayaman na yon, kinailangan ko ng tulong mo, wala kang way kundi mag-yes lang sa akin. Kasi tinulungan kita eh. So tayo, huwag tayong matakot humingi ng tulong or humingi ng learnings from them kasi we will return the favor naman. So, pero going back, BM Marco, to answer the question, again, yung simplify ko lang, is to genuinely ask, paano mo ibe-better sarili mo? Pag sila nasa posisyon mo, yun ang icebreaker mo. Diba?